I've been using ChatGPT on and off for months. Sometimes I get useful results, but mostly just okay. Nothing special. But here's what I realized. I don't actually know how to use this thing effectively. I'm still Googling most things. I'm still writing emails from scratch. Still not using AI the way I know I should be. So I'm fixing that. Let me show you what I learned that actually works. Let's take an example of asking AI to help us write an email. Everyone says use AI to help you write an email, right? So let's see. So I'm going to give it a very simple prompt. I'm just going to ask it, help me write an email about my heater. Very generic. Honestly, I've seen people write as simple as this and they expect AI to understand you. Let's see. Saying, sure, I can help you write a right email, but can you tell me more? Who is this email to? What is it going? What's going on with your heater? Anything specific that you want to mention? He's asking for more. This is where I wanted to share with you that there is certain framework that we can follow to prompt so that we can get better responses. Okay, so for the same scenario, let's give more information to AI so it can help us write a better email. This time, I'm actually writing what it's saying. Who is this email to? I'm saying it's to my landlord. What's going on with the heater? It's broken. It's 3 days. It's 45 degrees inside. Anything specific you want to mention, right? I tried resetting the thermostat. I need someone to send this week. Keep it short. So these are all the additional details we are giving. And now let's hit enter. AI is thinking. It came back. It's very simple, but to the point. Hi. It even framed the email subject. Who are we sending to? Our unit number, phone number, everything is here. And the body of the email is perfect. I'm writing to report that the heater in my apartment broke 3 days ago. And it's very polite, but at the same time, it's very firm as well. Please arrange for a repair technician to come. Let me know when I can expect. See, this is what I meant by following a framework for prompting so you get useful results. Okay, let's take a second example. But I've seen many people use AI as their sounding board. They use AI to help them make decisions. And one such example is, should I take this job? It may look very generic. Who would type something like this? I've seen many people write as simple as this and expect AI to help them come up with a good response. So let's see what AI has to do. That's a big decision. To give you useful thoughts, I need some more context. What's the role? How does it compare? What's pulling you toward it? Happy to help you think through it once I know more about what you're weighing on. See, this is what I meant by I'm prompting or asking AI in a more detailed way where there is a framework that you can follow. Now, the same scenario, let's give it more information and see how useful our response can be. This time I'm saying, help me decide whether to accept the job offer. Here's my situation. I have a current job, pay so and so, and it's a stable, it's a 10-minute commute. My new offer is so and so, but it has a longer commute and it is a startup. I have no kids. And this is just a made up scenario. See, like this, you are giving more information to AI. Say it's thinking. This is genuinely interesting trade-off. There's no obviously right answer, but here's how I would think through. Very good. It's asking us to think in areas that we did not thought before. Like what's the actual cost of the commute? It's not just 45 minutes each way, right? What does interesting projects actually mean? Is this the type of work? Is it a learning curve? How do you personally handle uncertainty? What's your regret calculus? So it's actually giving us questions to think about. And then it's asking things you might not be considering, right? This is exactly where we wanted AI. Right? If you go to any person and ask for an advice, somebody who knows you, they might be very biased. But these are the areas where you can use AI. But again, use it to help you in certain way where you have not thought through. So things that you might not be considering. This is excellent. This is the response very useful. Now let's look at one last prompt. Let's take a scenario you want to learn about investing. So most of us have done this. We just go to AI and we ask it, explain investing. And I'm expecting a very generic answer, which is exactly that's happening. Investing is putting money into assets with expectation, risk and return, compound. This is very generic. This is an absolute textbook definition. Doesn't help me anything. It's just telling me what investing is. It's not taking my personal situation, which understandably so. Now let's give the same scenario, but give a detailed prompt. Let's see what happens. Let's give it all the details that we can. I'm 30, I have 5,000 to invest, and I've never invested before, have a stable job, and so on. So we are giving the background about ourselves. So let's see. Now watch. It's thinking, it's the same topic, and it's given us a very reasonable first step. It's saying at 30, your biggest advantage is time. If you invest 5,000 today, it grows at a historical average 7%. It becomes roughly 40,000 by the time you become 65. This is exactly what I need, right? The actual numbers, a clear first step. And it's given me every important detail that I should know and the very next steps. I'll definitely use this. Very useful. Hi, I'm Saritha Kathula. I have 20 years of IT consulting experience and I host a podcast called Midcareer Resilience where we talk about navigating career disruptions. And AI is the latest disruption that we need to adapt to. So here's what I'm doing. For the next 30 days, I'm spending exactly 15 minutes every single day learning how to use AI effectively, not just trying random stuff, but building real skill. And I'm documenting everything, what works, what's a waste of time, and the exact prompts that I use, the mistakes I make, and all of it. This isn't just about learning prompts, it's about building this adaptability that we need to continue to learn. There's definitely a difference between knowing that AI exists and being good at using it, right? I genuinely don't know if just 15 minutes a day consistently will be enough, but I'm going to find out. And to conclude, here's what I want to leave you with the message that for prompting there's like specific pattern that you can practice. So AI is not a magic. AI can be learned very well. The clearer we understand how to talk to these AI tools, the better our results are. So just remember that for prompting, just use this specific pattern. And there are these four elements that you just have to take away with. Give it a context, specify, give it more details, tell how the outcome needs to be. And if you don't want it to focus on something, give that constraints, some guardrails. Don't focus on this, don't do that, and so forth. Again, prompting is a skill. The more you practice, the better you get it. So take this framework and try it on your next question and let me know how your experience has been. Thank you.